Hi, everybody. I'm going to show you how to use the JamBoard resources, the templates that I showed you, that I sent to you in an email. So you can choose any one of these templates. So, when you click on the link, it's going to send you to a Google Drive, and it says shared with me, and it says JamBoard. And you can, star it or add a shortcut to your drive so that you know where it is. But if there is one that say you want to use with students, or you think you'd like to use, you just open it up. So we're going to look at this one, the yellow, red, and green, which is a good for sort of checking in at the end of the day or brainstorming ideas. And what you would do is you would take this, you would go up to the top here where it says more actions, and you would say make a copy, because what's going to do is allowing you to make a copy of this is going to make it that you can then edit it in whatever way you want. So you can go say red, yellow, uplight, and then you can put it in my drive, or if you want to make a new folder that is just for Jamboards, you can. And then we hit OK. And what's going to happen now is then you have a copy of this that you can edit and you can share with your children. So if you wanted to, edit that information in there, you could, remove it or say, use this to tell me what you thought of today's lesson. And then, they can, you can replace the text there and do all of that stuff. So you can copy it and edit it how you want, and then you can share it with your students. So right now it is shared private only with me. But what you can do is you can control by copying the link. You can change it to anyone who has a link, can be a viewer or an editor of it. So you can change it so that your students will have the ability to, use this document. And they have some controls over it. That's basically how you would use it. You can also, rename it on the top here, download it as a PDF if you wanted to, or share frame as an image, which means basically you're just going to share it with them as an image where you would move to put something else. And, these can be done with any of these. So you can take these, you can share the link in your Google Drive with them, or you can share the link in any other resource that you're using. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.